Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're exploring why rebuilding trust after betrayal is literally a biological necessity. Let's hit the most painful question right away. Can a totally shattered relationship actually be fixed? We often treat trust like a checklist, but guys, it's actually a felt sense of safety in your nervous system. Betrayal creates psychological vertigo. Your partner flips from being your safe harbor to a literal biological threat. Think of it like emergency surgery. You absolutely have to stop the bleeding before you start asking why it happened. This injury is totally asymmetrical, so standard mutual therapy usually fails. What you need first is one-way repair. The betrayer has to validate their partner's reality and create safety. No defensive excuses, just honest answers. Now, here's a shocker. The biggest roadblock to healing isn't the betrayed partner's anger. It's the betrayer's overwhelming shame. To heal, betrayers must shift that internal mix, 20% shame and a massive 80% deep empathy. Without that empathy, you're trapped. The betrayed partner's safety checks are tragically misunderstood as endless permanent punishments. Both partners have entirely distinct, rigorous jobs here. It demands completely different emotional heavy lifting from each person. Betrayal is a giant boulder blocking your path. You can't stand around arguing about its size. Just move it. Look, you can't rush biology. Recalibrating a shattered nervous system literally takes 1 to 3 years of sustained effort. If you skip this painful work, that betrayal turns into a splinter, silently infecting your intimacy for decades. So what does it actually take to prove to a traumatized nervous system that you're finally safe again? It requires costly, exhausting actions, like patiently answering the exact same painful question 40 times without a single sigh. Here's the key takeaway. You absolutely cannot talk your way back. True love is visible proof of work. True integration means holding this painful experience with tenderness and acknowledging how it has permanently changed you both. Love isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's a tough daily discipline. So what proof of work will you show today? If you want to work on this for real, try Figlet, my AI relationship coaching app. You can start for free, no credit card needed at figlet.empathy.com.